Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I am reviewing broccoli, eco-friendly cookware with natural non-stick. This cookware is the first to be coated with natural shell powder to achieve a true non-stick pan. It is designed to save kitchen space and the coating is 100% PFOA-free, safe to eat and helps to promote the efficient utilization of marine resources. The pot body is made of 304 stainless steel, pure aluminum and magnetic 430 stainless steel, and the bottom is formed by a friction screw press. It can be used on gas stove, induction stove, electric ceramic stove, and electric heating stove. The edge of the pot is designed with curved flanging, and the lid and handle are made of food-grade silicone, which is resistant to high temperature at 250 degrees. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and easy to clean. This cookware is a great way to make your kitchen more eco-friendly and cook healthier meals. If you're interested in buying broccoli, you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to I Know Gadgets.